we got a yesstyle package to open. So I received these masks that I need to test for a video, and I received some other stuff for free. So I got this dress, very cute, and I got this denim skirt. Okay, I tried on the skirt and it looks pretty good, but here it's too big, so I'll have to wear like a belt. I mean, it doesn't fall off though. It's just if I sit down, then that would be quite visible. And also there are shorts underneath, so it's really good. If you guys want the reference of the skirt, I'll put it down in the description. So I tried it on top of my t-shirt, and this is how it looks. I mean, this thing is a bit weird, but it's still pretty. And I only have one backpack, and I'm using it right now for like work, so I will put everything I need into this bag right here, and last minute I will transfer everything that's in here into my other bag. So I'm taking underwear, sleeve dress, and for the outfits I'm thinking this top with the skirt I showed you guys before, and then the skirt that I was talking about before, this one, which is my other video, with this top. I think it would look cute. Also, I wanted to take a bag, so I'll take this bag, which is also in my video. So I finished packing my skincare and makeup. I mean, there's still makeup that I use on the daily that I'll have to put like last minute, but I took like my makeup remover, some cream, BB cream, mascara, eyeliner. So yeah. So I got home. Now I will pack, because I emptied out my backpack, and I will put these items in my backpack.